Hey guys, good morning, welcome back. I'm Rinske Douna and this is my art channel. In one of my last videos you saw me mix 15 colors with 3 colors in 10 minutes. Can you believe it? Have you seen the video? Go check it out, it will totally help you. It's amazing, it's a way how I create my colors, custom made, and I have them here lined up, all these 15 beautiful colors. So why not make a painting with all these colors? I will be using a dark base and see if these vibrant colors will pop. Let's get started. So guys, did you see the video where I made with the primary colors, so the red, blue and the primary yellow, 15 colors, fluid paint colors within 10 minutes? Well, I have them here lined up and I was thinking, of course I will be using and putting them in bottles. But I will be making a black base and then pour all of these 15 colors in it and do a 15 color blowout. And maybe just a touch of silver in there. So yeah, I just want to play, have fun. Let's get started. I will be making the black base first, like always. Blow that out. Alright, I think this is gonna be fun. Let me think of which color I will be starting. I think I will start with the magenta. And I'll be making just a puddle and going in the direction of the rainbow. It's so easy to mix all those colors, and you can just buy the primary colors and make so many beautiful colors with it. This is beautiful already. I will give you a close-up of this when it's laid down. Then you see all those beautiful colors. All right, there we have it, the rainbow puddle. It's beautiful, right? Definitely gorgeous. All right, hoping the painting will be gorgeous as well. And like I said, I will add first some gold and then a little bit of silver to it, just for even more contrast. Let's torch this first. I see air bubbles. Where is my torch? All right, so I can't find my torch. I have, oh, here. Of course, always when I say, I can't find it, or I call Wouter, where is this? And then I find it. Here we go. All right, I will be adding just a little bit of the black over it, but I will be trying to keep a lot of the colors present. Okay, so a bit like this. Those colors, it's so beautiful. The rainbow. Okay, moment of truth, let's blow this out. I will start blowing it upwards. And down. Okay. This is so cool. Oh, I love the silver part in it. What is extremely cool about this painting that we have here still all the lines of the rainbow, and then it flows out beautiful soft. Yeah, I will tweak a little bit of the design and I will then give you a close-up because this is so cool and vibrant. And can you imagine that this painting is made with just 3 colors, just the primary colors here, and then created all these beautiful, amazing colors. I do think this is super round there. Maybe I would like that it goes a bit more like that. It just breaks up just a little bit. Yeah guys, if you're seeing this now, hearing me now, please wait till the close-ups, because then you see all these definition in the lines and the details. So cool. Just a little bit torching here, so not getting a lot of cells, but just a little bit to have some fun. Yeah guys, I will bring you up for a close-up here. Look at all those beautiful rainbow lines. It's amazing. Super vibrant piece. And this is so cool because that's the silver and the gold. So in the middle it will shine like crazy when it's dry. Very cool. What a beautiful outburst, right? Okay, so I will let this dry and show you the dried result. Alright, so here you have the dried version. I must say, in real life, this is so much more beautiful, and this is even perfect for the Miracle Life project. So many colors and contrast, you know, this is absolutely stunning. You know, there's a lot of glare. Because these, you know, little cells, they all have different colors. It's so cool. Yeah, I think this one, it must be one of my favorites. I really like, you know, this little part there, because it feels like it's a little bit of a 3D look. I don't know, this is... Yeah, I'm happy. I'm so happy with this. All these lines here. Yeah. Yes. Alright guys, let me know. I would love to hear what you think. And I'll see you next time.